Good morning, dear students. In this pandemic of COVID-19, its second strain, it become essential for us to stay at home and carry on our study also. In this surrounding, Bishop Academy started online classes. In this series, today I taught you the very first chapter of history, that is where, when and how. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये तीन तरह के क्वेश्चन अक्सर हमारे ब्रेन में उठते हैं। इवन अभी तक जो आपने हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा है, क्लास 6 में एंशिएंट पीरियड के विषय में, जिसमें आपने हड़प्पा के विषय में पढ़ा, मोहनजोदड़ो के विषय में पढ़ा, वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन के विषय में पढ़ा और ओवरऑल लास्ट में अशोक और हर्षवर्धन के विषय में पढ़ा। इसके बाद फिर ये सारी चीज़ें क्लास 6 में आपके द्वारा पढ़ी गई। ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री का बिगनिंग स्टेज, स्टोन एज, आयरन एज, ये सारी चीज़ें। इसके बाद क्लास 7 में आपने मिडिवल हिस्ट्री के विषय में पढ़ा, जिसमें बहुत सारे एम्पायर, कुछ नॉर्थ इंडिया के, कुछ साउथ इंडिया के, इनके विषय में आपने पढ़ा। This year you have to study about the modern period, modern time that has been started after the death of Aurangzeb. Though this time get started with the arrival of Britishers in India, but is considered only with the fall of Mughal Empire. Dear students, the very first topic in your book is what is the importance of dates, why dates are too important. So here you find that without date, the history becomes same as the story, fiction, such type of things. But as you study in class 6, that history is a systematic study of the things, especially of past. So certainly the day, the month, the year, century or even millennium, entire these things are passed away. So for understanding the things very clearly, it becomes essential for us to study the history with dates, as whenever an important incidents occurred which changed the world, have a great impact over its people, certainly it becomes essential for us to take care of those particular dates. As we find that when India became independent, when was our constitution adopted, when did India become the member of United Nations. So you find that there are various type of question occurred within the brain of people, and certainly in the forthcoming years the children or the people want to know about these things, and that's why it becomes essential to mention the date with it. Though it is quite difficult for students to remember these dates, but certainly if you work little, certainly you get succeeded in remembering entire these dates with their important incidents. The most important work done in periodization of Indian history is done by James Mill. James Mill was a Scottish philosopher which write a voluminous book, History of British India. In his book, he divided Indian history into three parts: the Hindu period, the Muslim period, and the British period. Certainly, most of the Indian historians like H.C. Rai Chaudhary and R.C. Majumdar are not satisfied with this classification, because the time period which James Mill decided, certainly that is not the true picture of Indian continent. Certainly at that time when Mughal rule in Delhi, some Rajput rulers rule in Rajasthan, even South India has been ruled by some other dynasty, and even the east has been under control of Maratha. Even his classification of history in Hindu, Muslim and British period ignore the Indian social phenomena or social cohesiveness of that time. Certainly, as he indicated that British tried to civilize India, so most of the historians trace it out that India was more civilized under the Mauryans, Guptas and even under the Mughals, and that's why all the credit of framing modern India could not be given to the Britishers only. So today I have to taught you up to this place. You have to just read your book, the very first chapter, where when and how, and on the next day we will discuss over next things of the same chapter. Remain at home, follow the COVID-19 guidelines and remain healthy. God bless you.